Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading Mushroom Lullaby by Kenneth Kraegel. Please enjoy. Mushroom Lullaby. This is a mushroom. This is a mushroom that grows in the park. This is a mushroom that glows in the dark. This is a mushroom grown on a tree. This little mushroom is hard to see. Here is a mushroom high in the sky. Here is a mushroom that never stays dry. Here is a mushroom made just for you. Your friends can come too. And stay the day to play. And sit in the shade and drink lemonade. Now here is your mushroom at the end of the day. The sun stretches out and sets far away. You head up your soft mushroom stairs and read a book in your big mushroom chair. The stars have come out and the moon has too, which means your mushroom day is at last is through. So climb into your warm mushroom bed and let your eyes close as you lay down your head. And now it's time to turn out the light. May you have some sweet dreams, a soft rest. And a very good night. Oh, wasn't that a cute little story about a mushroom? How many of you ever have gone out to do some mushroom picking? Let me know with a thumbs up if you have ever went out to do mushroom picking before. Just curious. A long time ago, my stepdad and my mom, they used to go out and do mushroom picking before. And where I used to take my walks to, I used to see people out there in the woods looking for mushrooms. And there's people that do it. But let me know with a thumbs up if you have done it. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give the big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got plenty. So feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell whenever I upload. You will be notified. And I want to welcome some new subscribers here to my channel. Welcome aboard. Feel free to check out my other book readings I got plenty. So feel free to check them out. I would appreciate that. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, everybody. And take care.